babaeng saksakan ng ganda.
Okay, good evening everyone. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate your time that you spend with me, celebrating my milestone, another milestone of my life. You know, my mom was telling me, when you are 60, 65, 70, that's a milestone of your senior age, and you have to celebrate.
Hooray! Hep hep! Hooray! Okay, be mindful of the hep hep. When you say hep hep, should be clapped. And when you say hooray, put your hands in the air. Both of your hands. Okay, alright, practice. Okay, we'll see if she knows the full name. Kulang na si Ate Hermie. Oo.
Layo kayo. Huwag kang
Wala ka na dito. Okay.
Gani, liado man ako.
Full name of the son of Ate Dor.
1.7.
Is it correct? All right, she's correct. A big round of applause.
Perfect.
Pero mapagsilyo agad.
Welcome back, Blagadag! For today's video, we are here back again at Alof Hotel to celebrate Madame Doris' birthday. She's our Filipina friend who married to a Omani local. You will see later in the video that she has mixed visitors with Filipino and Omani friends. Enjoy watching, guys! If you want me to make more content like this, please hit the like and subscribe button down below. Now let's get back to the video.
Yeah.
1 year supply.
Via open air. Okay, we prepared a lot of prizes. This is just a surprise. Okay? 5 kg. You will receive a round trip ticket to the prize via wheelchair. Okay, everyone, we're requesting to have your line here. One line.
Ano mga pagkaon natin? So this is our food. Legal diet na naman. So we have chicken. So manikas. Chicken biryani. Steamed vegetables. Pancit. Ay lang, pinasulit sa pagkaon. Rice. Biryani again. Ano na ito ba? Kung saan spaghetti?
Yes. Okay. Sweets dye.
Ay, rice.
There.
Biryani lang.
Ayan, yan.
Hindi na lang ako mag-sweet. Okay na, Day.
Okay na dye. Mama Joy, kung papil basta naag ka.
Sige lang, ipapil mo na kung imong ano.
Kilo.
Imong, dili. Imong, gani? Pambingwit. Okay lang, Day. Makuha na lang matagal. Milk? Isa man.
Yeah. Yogurt.
Juice na lang siguro, Day.
There, the juice is there.
Sige. Thank you so much for inviting me. That time, I'm looking for a place to eat because I'm really shy eating outside. But Joel insisted me to eat outside so I can be with everyone.
Kano bayad nito?
Pwede, Dad.
Everybody do muna. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Okay, be mindful of the hep hep. When you say hep hep, should be clapped. And when you say hooray, put your hands in the air. Both of your hands. Okay, alright. Practice. Okay, act like 17 years old. I need energy, okay? Ready? Nakakain na ba ang lahat? Very good. Hep hep hooray, and 3, 2, 1, and
Hep hep! Hooray! 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 Hep, hep.
Hep, 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 hep. That's already out, okay? Final! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palakpak naman dyan, my dear audience. Thank you. Alright, this is the battle between aging and aging. Ready? Anti-aging. 5, 6, and 3, 2, 1, and...
Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, 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 hep.
Right. What's that? Alright. Oh, last. Okay. Para ma-enjoy naman. Okay, no more trial ha, my goodness. 1, hep, hep, hooray, and...
Hep, hep, hooray!
Jenny, ayusin niyang hooray. No prolong.
Hooray!
Last ka na ha, ipapadala na kita sa Almarat. Okay. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and...
Hooray!
Hep, hep. Hep, hep. Like that. I need the energy. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and...
Hep, hep.
Oh, anong hep, hep dito? Ang hirap magturo sa mga bata talaga. It's too hard to teach children nowadays. Okay? Confident ka pa ha? Isa. Okay, ready? 5, 6. This is final. Okay, no more mercy. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and...
Hooray!
We start with hep hep. What did I teach earlier? Okay, lipat tayo. Nag-worry man siya. Shortcut man siya. Ayoko na. I want to resign here. I want to submit a resignation. Na-stress ako. Okay, ready? Hep hep hooray. Hep hep energy. Faster. Okay, ready? 5, 6. Quiet children. Ready? Hep hep hooray and...
Hooray! 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 Hep, hep. 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 Hooray! Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep. Hooray!
Ah! Goodbye, Ate Oye. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. Bye, thank you so much for your cooperation. Alright, ready. Alok will provide later on. Okay, ginagawa pa yung rice. Oo. Guys, nag-level up na yung price natin. Basmati rice, 24 karat na po siya. Ready? 24 karat na, just basmati rice. Ready? 5, 6, hep hep hooray, and...
Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray! Sorry. Hep, hep.
Ang sabi ni, magtinanawin na yung kadiri. Wala mati. Ready? Ready? 5, 6, 7, and...
Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray!
Last na to, final. Ano dyan? Ipatry ko na dyan ka pa Pilipinas ba? Ready? 5, 6, 7, and...
Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hep, hep.
Sorry. Bye. Okay, wala tong music. Ano pa mag-play? Ready? 5, 6, 7, and...
Hep, hep. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Sorry. Thank you, Ate Pinky, for your cooperation. See you next time around. Next. Okay, sulit ti ha. Mapasay lupa. Tagata ka, guys. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and...
Yeah, check me. Ha?
Oy, ang sabi niya, natanggal na good siya. Salamat, Lord. Thank you, Ate Jeannie. You bring joy, you know. Palakpak naman for Ate Jeannie. Wala ka ba ni Uy? Uy, yung microphone, wala. Check. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Inirin kayo siya. Wait.
Hindi pa hinahin mo.
Hindi siya magbuot. Makita-green tao ka na. Alright. Okay. Usog dito. Usog. Pag makita ka sa, ang mga beauty makita sa audience, mandatory ni siya. Okay, ready? Hep, hep, hooray, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray!
Ay! Hooray! Hooray!
Hooray,
Alright,
bye-bye.
move that side please. No. 2 for 6. Okay, here we go, ladies. Hep, hep, hooray, and...
Hep, hep.
Hooray! Hooray!
Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep.
Should be hooray. Okay, bye-bye, ate. Thank you so much. Nakakalito. Gusto niyo 1 hour break?
Kinakarir ni Sophie, ah. Kinakarir, ah.
Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray! Hooray! Hep, hep. Hep, hep.
Hey, thank you.
Bye-bye, Ate Herms. Bye-bye. Say hep, hep. Hep, hep. Okay, we have 5 contingents in here fighting for the 24 karat basmati rice. Okay, ready and hep hep hooray. Ready and 3, 2, 1.
Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray!
Oy, hooray! Woo! Okay. Okay, apat na lang. 4, down to 4. Hep hep hooray and 3, 2, 1, and
Hep, hep,
Hooray!
hep, hep,
Hooray!
hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep,
Hooray!
hep, hep,
Hooray!
hooray!
bye-bye. Wanna join? Oh, no, later.
Later.
Wanna, give them prize, Baden? Okay, ready?
One sack basmati rice. 1 year.
1 year supply.
1 year supply.
Ready? Hep hep hooray and 3, 2, 1, and
Hep, hep,
Hooray!
hep, hep, hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray! Hep, hep,
Hooray!
hep, hep, hooray!
Hooray!
Hoy,
Bye-bye, ate.
sila dalawa
Thank you very
talaga.
much. Woo, palakpak naman. We have the last 2 ladies standing. Okay. Actually, it's a prank lang man to. Wala talagang prize.
Walang prize.
Oo. Ate, ihanda na yung mobile payments, Ate Doris. Gcash lang daw. Okay. Whew. What's your name, by the way?
Tanner.
Okay, Sophie versus Jenna. How old are you? Secret?
Secret
Bago
also.
na yan? Bagong age. Alright. Okay, here we go. Facing each other. Okay. Do you think you will win this game?
I don't think so.
How about you?
I think so.
We'll see. Okay, let's finish then. Okay, ready? Hep hep hooray and 3, 2, 1, and
Hooray! Hep, hep,
Hooray!
hep, hep,
Hooray! Hep, hep.
hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray! Hep, hep,
Hooray!
hep, hep, hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep. Hooray!
Hep, hep,
Hooray!
hep, hep,
Hooray!
hep, hep, hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
okay. So since they're too good,
Now reverse.
we're gonna change the rules. Okay, when you say hep hep,
Up.
should be hep hep.
Hooray!
Alright, let's start from hooray, hep hep, hooray, hep hep.
Hooray.
Okay, practice. Hooray,
Hooray!
hep hep, hooray, hep hep. Okay. Okay. You wanna take 10 minutes break? Okay, ready? Hooray, hep hep. 5, 6, 7, and.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep. Hep, hep.
Wala
na. Wala na siya.
Okay,
We have the winner.
we have a winner. Generally, 3 or 5, 4. Come over. 3, 2, 1. Ikaw atong nagpaanak sa kanya dati. Almuntasir Sultan. Is it correct? Is that the full name? Ah, ni-revise na. Is it correct? Almuntasir? Alright. Correct. There's still Oh, there's one missing. Yes, my darling, come here. Yeah, you. Okay, we'll see if she knows the full name. Kulang na sa Ate Hermie. Oo.
Layo ka ayo. Huwag kang
Wala ka na dito. Okay.
Gani, kaya man ako.
Full name of the son of Ate
1.7.
Doris. Is it correct? Alright, she's correct. A big round of applause. Mabruk. Okay, mamaya na kayo ha. Okay, you will claim your prize later. We will send through Talaba. Okay? Just send your address and we will send it right away. Okay, I think we will, may isa ka pang papaan ate. Wala na, mahurot yun yung gold. Bilang man yung Persilas diha. Okay, so we will have our second game. This is more fun. So may request everybody, choose your partner and you may come here. So you can choose your partner. This is a pair game.
Dan, picture Dan.
Video.
Sorry, Dan.
This time we're about to play the next game.
Okay, so each pair has already a bottle of water. Can you put on the ground the water, please? Okay, very good. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to explain the rules, the guidelines, the procedure. Okay, this is a head, shoulder, and tooth. Then you have to pick up. If I say water, you have to pick up the water. For example, if I say head, you have to touch your head. If I say shoulder, you have to touch your shoulder. If I say hips, you have to touch your hips. If knees, you have to touch your knees. If I say water, you have to pick up the water. So your partner is your enemy. Not enemy, your opponent, okay? So whoever take the bottle of water will stay. The one without a bottle in their hand will out. Did you get the procedure? Okay? So you have to be fast as you can. Depende, pag mabagal siya, di ba? Okay. Oh, practice. Can you straight, para maganda naman. Okay, practice ladies. Okay. Head. Use your two hands, the left and the right. Okay. Head, shoulder, hips. Head, shoulder, head, water. That's it. Okay? So did you get the whole process? Okay, very good. Okay. Oh, this is a good exercise after eating, a bulk plates of food. Okay, ready? May nagsisisi na ba? Practice. Okay, another practice. Okay, and head, shoulder, hips, knees, head, shoulder, head, hips, water. Okay? Alright, okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last and final. So ito na yan, final. This is the final game. Final game. Walang mag-aaway, okay? No fighting. Okay, final. The game begins. And 3, 2, 1. And head, shoulder, hips, head, shoulder, hips, water. Luloy yung tungkuan, medyo luya. Okay, those have a water in their hand, please remain. Okay. Okay, stay please. Okay, pair naman. Choose your pair naman. Choose your pair, 2, 4, 6. Get one water, paki-return ng water doon sa mga walang tubig. Give me that. I think there's one on that table also. Dito ba sila ate? Okay, one water each. Okay, hindi mag-away. Kaya ginoo ko, wala ng premium. Okay, the other pair here. Oh, one line dito. Ganyan. Uy, ate, ubus talaga yung buong mo nito. Okay. Alright, so we have 4 pairs, a total of 8 heads. Ate Jenny, nakasalalay dito yung mais ng barka. Otherwise, tanggal yun. Okay, ready? Alright, ladies, ready. And the game begin. And 3, 2, 1, head, shoulder, head, knees, hips, shoulder, head, shoulder, hips, shoulder, head, water. Alright. Okay, how many heads remaining? Okay, congratulations. Sino man, akin na yung dalawang bote ng tubig. Mabilis to. Okay. Parang may tinanggalan mo ng tubig dyan. Alright. 2 pairs remaining. Okay, head, shoulder, tooth, water, and 3, 2, 1, and head, shoulder, hips, shoulder, head, shoulder, hips, shoulder, head, shoulder, water. Sino yan? Okay. Here we go. We are... Okay. Matra versus Almerat. Okay. Sino kaya mananalo? Ang kakabalik ng galing Pinas? O pauwi pa lang ng Pinas? Alright, this is our last two ladies standing. Palakpak naman dyan! Okay, alright ladies and gentlemen. Our last two contenders. And head, shoulder, hips, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, hips, shoulder, head, knees, shoulder, head, hips, shoulder, water. Okay, congratulations, Ate Vicky. Palakpak naman dyan. Ate Vicky, thank you so much for your cooperation. Okay? Okay, at this moment, I would like to request may mais daw. You will have a 1-year supply of corn. Yellow corn. From Barca. Okay, we will request Maricel. At this moment, we will be entertaining song number by Maricel. Palakpak naman. Woo! Here we go. Anong kanta mo? Whitney Houston, Celine Dion, Elias.
Hello, magandang tanghali. Good afternoon, everyone. Louder. I'd like to thank Doris, the birthday celebrant, for inviting me here. Oli, thank you so much. And I would like to dedicate this song to the birthday celebrant and to all the friends that are here celebrating with her. Thank you, God. Lord, I feel. And it's for the sun. Now I'm coming to places that I do believe in love. And I should never go away. Never close your That's what friends are for. In good times, in bad times, I'll be on you, so forever. That's what friends are for. It's fine, everybody. It's shining. You can always count on me. For sure. That's what friends are for. Yeah. For good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forever. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining. You can always count.
5, 6, 7, 8, Pin beside a piling kutsilyo ni Armasin. Ako mo katapat, murag magasin. Tiyo, 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 tiyo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Hey! Kumanta quadrilly.
Ikaw na po.
Yeah, please accompany your mom. She will, do her cake. Baba also join.
We go!
Okay, good evening everyone. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate your time that you spend with me, celebrating my milestone, another milestone of my life. You know, my mom was telling, when you are 60, 65, 70, that's a milestone of your senior age, and you have to celebrate. Actually, I don't want to celebrate, but I was thinking, my mom was telling me like that. That's why I contact Kakay, where to glue all these things, and she told me here. So I give thanks to Kakay, to the one who decorated the venue, Adrian, and the group of Adrian. And then I will give thanks to my husband and my son for supporting me. And thank you to all na nandito lahat. Ang lahat ng mga kaibigan ko na ano. Salamat. And the niece of my husband are here also, and the nephew. And the brother of my husband is here, and his wife, and their son.
On the service square.
Husband of Jamila also is here. And the friends of Montasir are here. Tariq and Sala. Where's Sala?
Nasa sala si Sala.
Okay, thank you everyone. I really appreciate your time that you spent with me. And today is today is Friday, it's family day. You should spend your time with your family, but you're spending your time with me. Thank you. We love you.
We love you, ate.
And there's a special request. Where's my son? Because I told him you have to sing.
Oh,
I don't know if you will sing.
I will sing for him.
Okay,
Charing lang.
thank you once again. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, wait.
Arlene, Belle, Hermie, Lisa, Oye, and Rita. Thank you very much. Amira.
Here's your son.
Okay, now, go on. You told me you're going to sing.
Sorry, come. Sorry.
Tariq, come and sing with me. You told me to sing. Tariq, you sing.
Dang, lighter yung picture. Pictures na ako sa ate.
Sige na, kaya yung microphone.
Okay, Porlet. Ito na, Porlet.
Perfect.
Pero mo kutsilyo agad. Oh, very tasty. Thank you.
Magsumba na daw kayo.
Sana yung nagre-request ng simbahan, hali na kayo. Ay, yung nagre-request ng simbahan.
For my vlog ito, for my vlog. Thank you, ate. Thank you so much. Wala pa dyan. Wala pa dyan tulog.
Susuotin ko sa wedding.
Ay, ito na.
Ayun o.
Sayaw na daw kayo. Zumba na. Magsumba na. Ladies. Ladies, magsumba na kayo.
Let's go. Ay, magkakailala kayo dyan? Ito?
Ay, that table with the black bag. Thank you. Magsumba na kayo. Magsumba na para mababa yung kinain.
Sumbatan.
We are here at the birthday party. Today's dinner.
Taas mo na yun.
I'll make sure you will like it.
So we're gonna try the cake for Ate Doy's birthday. Perfect.
Stop.
Bye-bye, Ate Martha. Ingat ka. Ikaw mo puti. Matulog ko pagabot ko. Ako'y tulog. Amping. Thank you, salam. Bye-bye, ate.
Asan ka na ngayon?
Super agnas na, pero thank you for coming. So that's for today, guys. So everyone is enjoying and we having fun tonight, this afternoon. Thank you for watching.
Tita Anis! Huwag mong kalimutan. Jenny. Kasi ikaw. Ayun. Si Tintin daw. Nakuha mo si Tintin. Walis na. Si Tintin daw. Alam ko, Tintin. Masrat sa'yo.
Ang nakita, babaeng saksakan ng ganda.
That's a wrap for today. So everyone enjoy for today's video. So thank you so much, guys, for coming for Ate Doris' birthday. We really enjoy it. So this is for her 65th birthday. So thank you for watching.